Hey guys, happy Thursday. I woke up this morning with a cold and it's terrible and I hate it and it's the worst.
I'm just trying to get some sleep.
But anyway, I have some exciting news. So, you know how I was interviewing for all those internships and stuff, but I was matched to one on Monday. I'm really excited because I got matched to my first choice. That's sort of like, since it's all through the same program, you just like submit your like listing of top choices, and then like all the professors submit their list of the top people that they want to work for them. So I got matched to my top choice. So I'm going to be exploring link RNAs with a professor in the biology department, and I'm really excited. I don't get to start until winter term, so not until January, but it's a paid research internship, so I'm going to get paid to do science. And what more could you ask for in life than to get paid to do science? Okay, so anyway, link RNAs, in case you're like, great, what's that? It's kind of an emerging field of research, I think. It's basically they have all of the RNA sequences of the human genome sequenced, but it's been generally understood for a while that there's all of the RNA codes for protein, but only like a very small percentage of your RNA actually goes into coding proteins. So they're sort of looking at these link RNAs, which is LNC, which is long non-coding, because they don't code for proteins. Sort of looking at, well, there's a lot of them, like they must be doing something. So sort of looking at their actual role in biology and everything. And when I was talking to the professor, originally he was sort of talking about how they found like certain links between certain sequences of link RNAs that could connect to neurological disorders, or cancer. So it's all really exciting, and it's going to be really cool. I'm just going to look at some RNA sequences and research them and see what they do. Yeah, so it's really cool. I'm really excited. Yeah, and that's probably most of the news I have for this week. This past weekend was the marching band trip to Harvard. That was really fun. I met, if you don't know the overly enthusiastic Harvard bandy meme, look it up. It's really funny, and he was my host, so I slept on his floor. He's really nice. His name's Tim. But it was pretty cool. It was like someone was like showing us these like memes, and I was like, that's funny. And then like we were assigned to our host, and like it was the overly enthusiastic bandy meme. It's great. And some people in the band are trying to start a meme of this one freshman Josh, because there's this candid photo of him that's just like super perfect, and they're trying to start the super photogenic bandy meme. So they took a picture of Josh and Tim together. For one, Josh's meme is also an internet sensation, I guess. Yeah, so that was really fun. Weekend in general. We like did some band traditions that most of which involved singing. So just like singing obnoxiously all of our fight songs at Harvard Square. And if you know like the Sexy Sax Man video where like the guy goes around in this ridiculous costume playing Careless Whisper in public places, look that up too. It's hysterical. But we were playing that as we exited the stadium, and it was really fun. Yeah, so like that was just really fun. It's always, yeah, I'm saying fun a lot. But the weather in Boston was really nice. It was probably like, I don't know, in the 60s, but it felt so warm. And it was like traveling to some tropical location, even though it was like 2 hours south. It was great. Because it's really cold here, and it rained all day today. And so I was like sick, and it was raining, and it was just a very gloomy day. Yeah, but I selected my classes for next term. I won't find out officially if I'm taking them until next Tuesday, but I'm planning on taking genetics, intro to neuroscience, and my required writing course, which I signed up for the only course that I might not actually get into is my writing course, just because they're limited to 16 students. But I signed up for one that reads The Handmaid's Tale. Like, they read other books too, but I was like, oh, The Handmaid's Tale, I would like to, I don't know, I guess delve into that more. It's one less book I'd have to read. Or I might reread it. It's a great book. At least I think so. But yeah, so I guess that's happening. I also am considering taking a 4th class, which is probably a terrible idea, and I'll probably have to drop one of them. But I want to take an earth science course, and that would be like, I think it's called like the evolution of the earth. Something along those lines, like something about the evolution of the earth. But I really want to take some geochemistry courses next year. And there's a study abroad with the earth science department that it's not really going abroad. Like, you start in Canada and then you travel like all across the West Coast collecting earth science data, I guess, and analyzing it. And that sounds really cool. So I'm hoping to take some courses in that to be able to do that. So I guess that I'm kind of thinking of majoring in that, but I haven't taken any courses yet, so don't even quote me on that. But I decided this week that I'm probably going to minor in chemistry as opposed to major in chemistry, just because I love chemistry, but it's not going great. So I probably shouldn't take P-Chem ever. So, anyway, this is going to be over my time limit, I guess. But yeah, it was just really, I guess, an exciting past week. I miss you guys. Thanksgiving is literally in 3 weeks, and I'm so excited to eat all the food and to see you guys. I'm not really excited to be home for 6 weeks while you guys all go back to school, but I don't know. I probably won't be able to get a job unless, I don't know. We'll see what happens. Anyway, it's bye.